Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create rolling ends credit on CapCut PC. Alright guys, here I have created a project on my CapCut PC, and the first thing we're going to do if we want to create rolling end credits is clicking on the text option right here, then click on default text, or you can also select another text template, but I'm gonna go with this default text. And after that, we can add the text right here. We can add the credits like this, and I'm going to make it smaller, so I'm going to decrease the font size. And to create rolling end credits, we can use the keyframe feature, but before it, I'm going to make this text align with the video like this, and we can click on the text option, and we can scroll down until we find the keyframe button. We can tap on the keyframe button for position and size like this. And for the first keyframe, I'm going to put this text like this, and for the second keyframe, I'm going to put it at the end of the text. Okay, then tap on the keyframe button for position and size. Then I'm going to drag it up. Okay, and now it's done, and let's just take a look at the result. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can create rolling end credits on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.